always you who has to be strong? Why are you the one who listens, the one who holds, the one who shows up even when you are breaking inside? That's exactly what day 27 reveals. The truth behind strength, service, and the silent weight carried by people who never asks for help. If this journey speaks to you, before we begin, consider following, subscribing, and comment Jai Hanuman so that I know that you are here with me. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा, which means Lord Rama, the greatest aesthetic king, entrusted all his important tasks to Hanuman. And Hanuman completed every one of them fully, faithfully, flawlessly. This verse is not about obedience, it's about capacity. It's about the kind of person who becomes the pillar in every room, the backbone of every team, the emotional anchor of every relationship. And that brings me to a story of Aman. Aman was that person, the one everyone leaned on. His sister poured her frustrations into him. His mother shared worries she hid from the world. His colleagues came to him with their stress, their deadline, and their heartbreaks. His friends, they didn't even ask if he was free or not. They just said, Bro, I need you. And Aman always showed up. He listened, he supported, he absorbed, he held everyone else's emotion like a sponge that never squeezed water out. One evening, after a long, exhausting day, a co-worker broke down in front of him. He stood there, starving, drained, but still listened for almost an hour. When she left, Aman walked to the restroom, locked the door, and felt as a tight heaviness in his chest. Not because of her story, but because of a frightening realization. Everyone is healing because of me, but who is healing me? Later that evening, he sat inside his parked car, hands gripping the steering wheels, eyes burning, and for once, he let the tears rise. But he wiped them away, straightened his shoulders, and told him, No, you can cry later. Be strong now. Just then, an old parking attendant, Shyamlal, knocked gently on his window. Aman was like, okay, who is knocking at this moment? He looked straight at Aman and said, बेटा आप लगते हो बहुत लोगों को संभालते हो. एक बात बोलूं, भगवान भी पहाड़ उन्हीं को देता है जो सीखता है कब मदद मांगनी चाहिए. You look like someone who carries many people. Let me tell you something. Even God gives mountains only to those who learn when to ask for help. Aman didn't answer. He didn't need to. That one sentence broke something inside him in a healing way. For the first time, someone saw him, not the helper, not the fixer, not the strong one, just him. And he finally understood strength isn't absorbing everyone else's storm. Strength is knowing when to walk out of the rain. This is exactly what Tulsidas is revealing. Rama trusted Hanuman with the hardest task not because he was merely strong, but because his heart was aligned with purpose, not pride. Hanuman never drowned under service because because his service wasn't for approval. It was for love. When intention is pure, your strength expands. When intention is pressure, your strength collapses. Hanuman didn't carry the world by crushing himself. He carried it by surrendering ego and aligning his energy with Rama. Tulsidas was not just glorifying service, he was warning us. If you carry everyone for validation, you will collapse. If you carry them for dharma, you will rise. So let me ask you, where in your life are you carrying too much? Where are you giving like from emptiness instead of abundance? And more importantly, who carries you? Whose door can you knock on when you are drowning? Even Hanuman rests in Rama. And you must rest too. Now say it softly with me. Sab par Ram tapasvi Raja, tinke kaj sakal tum saja. Let it remind you that service is sacred only when your soul is not breaking. Remember that. Tomorrow, day 28, we explore a verse that shows how Hanuman protects us from forces we cannot see by strengthening the forces within. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one truth that makes you lighter. Jai Hanuman.